revelation. Receive it. I'm getting a revelation. I'm getting a revelation. Sit down, please. There's no water in the house. There's no water in the house, but the rain is falling. And the rain falls for 2 hours. But after the 2 hours, there's still no water in the house because you have not put out your container. That's what is happening to you. You have not put out your container for God to fall some rain on you. You have not put out your container so God can fall the rain on you. There's no water in the house. Sit down. I'm seeing it clear in the Holy Ghost. I have seen it clear in the Holy Ghost. I have seen it clear in the Holy Ghost. Even when the rain finishes, you don't have a glass to drink. Water running from your rooftop, running to the street. Yet there's not a drink in the house because you didn't put out the container. What you saying, preacher? The Holy Ghost is everywhere, but your container has not been put out. Why are you vexed with me? Why are you vexed with me? I'm not in your house. Your house. This house. I'm not in your house. I'm in my house. In this house of the tabernacle shall be destroyed. We have another building in the heavens. But your body is a temple of the living God. Not yours. My body is a temple of the living God. God said, I'm reigning the Holy Ghost. I'm reigning in peace and joy and rejoicing and victory and deliverance. But you're not prepared to receive it. Blessings of the Lord. What else can I say?